Good morning, students. Today I am going to give some questions from the lesson number second. It is relation and functions. Some MCQs are there. 20 MCQ I have given in this video, and two case-based questions. The first question: our relation is subset of Cartesian product. The options are given to you. Then question number two. Question number 2, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and R be a relation from A to A, and the relation is defined by x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1. Then find the domain, and the options are given to you. You have to write the pick the right option and give your answer. The question number 3, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R be a relation from A to A. Again the relation is given to you, and again you have find out the codomain of this function. Now question number 4, again the set is given to you and the relation is given to you. You have to find the range. Then if set A has 2 elements and set B has 4 elements, then how many relations are possible? So you have to find the relation. You know the formula. How can we find the number of relations? Now question number 6, is a relation from set A to set B is always equal to relation from set B to set A. You have to tell that statement is true or false. Question number 7, if A equal to 1, 4, 8, 9 and B equal to 1, 2, minus 1 and all the elements are given to you, and set B equal to x comma y such that x equal to y square. It is y square. It is y square. ये y2 नहीं है, y square. Then find the domain of the function relation. Question number 8, if A equal to 1, 4, 8, 9 and B equal to then x comma y. The question I think it is repeated again. It is again you read it is at y square. Question number 9. This is again same question 1, 4, 8, 9. And question number 10. Let A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 4. Each of the following cannot be relation from set A to set B. You can understood कि भाई कौन सा रिलेशन सेट और ए बी को सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, वो आपको बताना है. 11, if P cross Q is an empty set, then which of the following is a null set? आपको बताना है कि P null set होगा, Q होगा या फिर P और Q, P होगा या Q होगा या दोनों ही होंगे. The number of onto functions from a set with 2 elements to set with 2 elements is, ये आपको given है. If A comma B equal to x comma y, then A equal to x, A equal to y. तो आपको बताना है कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा. The number of reflection and symmetric relations, we have discussed these relations, reflection, symmetric, transitive as well as equivalence relation. So the number of reflexive and symmetric relation on the set with elements 2, which is the correct option, you have to find out. Then if set P has 4 elements and Q has 5 elements, then find the number of such elements in P cross Q. So you have to find this one again. Question number 6, the Cartesian product is given to you x plus 2 comma y minus 3 equal to 5 comma 7. Then you have to find the value of x and y. This is a very simple question. Then question number 17, P cross Q has 10 elements, then this is not possible. तो आपको बताना है इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है. Question number 18, A cross B Cartesian product has given to you. तो आपको बताना है सेट A के एलिमेंट क्या होंगे. You have done this type lot of questions. 19, A cross B, again the Cartesian product is given to you. तो आपको सेट B फाइंड आउट करना है क्या होगा. And the last question, if set A has 2 elements and set B has 3 and how many subsets does A cross B है. ये आपके MCQ वाला पार्ट था. अब MCQ वाले पार्ट में आपको इन क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करना है और इसके राइट आंसर्स जो भी होंगे उनको आप लोग शेयर नोटबुक में करेंगे. और जब आपका स्कूल रीओपन होगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली आप लोगों से इसे पूछूंगा. तो आई रिक्वेस्टेड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट डू दीज क्वेश्चंस इन योर शेयर नोटबुक. Yesterday I have sent a PDF of lesson number 4. It is sets as well as the case based questions also I have given to you. And today I have sent 20 questions in your school app. You have to must attempt it and do these questions in your front note. Then I am going to show you some case based questions. So how can have given you the case-based question. This is belonging to your the topic linear inequalities. In drilling, what's deepest hole? The Kola super deep bore hole, the deepest man-made hole on Earth and deepest artificial point on Earth. As a result of scientific drilling project, it was found that the temperature T degree Celsius x kilometer below the surface of Earth was given by the expression is given, the inequality is given to you. If the required temperature lies between 200 degrees Celsius and 300 degrees Celsius, then journey to Earth is. Now the questions are given. The depth x will be lie between. These options are given. You solve this inequality and find the value of x, which is the value of x. Then find the inequality expressed by the graph. ये ग्राफ आपको गिवन है. ये ग्राफ किस इनइक्वालिटी के लिए एडजस्ट करेगा आपको बताना है. इसमें से 1 2 3 और 4 ऑप्शन दे रखा है. ये जो ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया गया है ये इनमें से किन इनइक्वालिटी के लिए बना हुआ है ये आपको बताना है. और इफ मॉडुलस x इज लेस देन 5 देन द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इन द इंटरवल. ये इंटरवल आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. और ग्राफ बस इतना ही. केवल 4 क्वेश्चन तक आपको इसको करना है, बाकी नहीं करना है. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट पार्ट में जाते हैं. One more question based on case based. A state cricket authority has to choose a team of 11 members to do it. So the authority asks two coaches for a government academy to select the team members that have experience as well as the best performance in the last 15 matches. They can make up a team of 11 cricketers among us 15 possible candidates. In how many ways can the final 11 be selected from 15 cricket players if? So all of you can understand this case basis question taken from your lesson number 4. It is permutation and combination. तो यहाँ पर आपको क्वेश्चन देंगे. there is no restriction. One of them is included. One of them who is bat from the must included. 2 of them being leg spinners 1. तो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको जो है ऊपर दे रखी है. इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ करके आपको कहते हैं अगर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है तो कितने वे से आप 15 प्लेयर्स को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. वन ऑफ देम हैज बीन एक कम से कम इंक्लूड होना चाहिए. तो इसी इंफॉर्मेशन के बिहार पर आपको ये जो पैरा दे रखा है इसी के हिसाब से आपको उनके आंसर्स पुट ऑन करने हैं. और इसमें भी आपके पास 5 पार्ट्स हैं. इन 5 पार्ट्स को आपने सॉल्व करना है. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज आपने देखा कि हमने आपको 20 MCQs और 2 केस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस इसमें गिवन है जिनको आपने अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में करना है. एंड व्हेन टुमारो द स्कूल विल रीओपन आई विल चेक ऑल द टास्क व्हिच आई हैव गिवन यू टुडे एंड yesterday from sets I have sent a PDF in your school app. So please see these things properly and do all the tasks in your fair note. Thank you and have a nice day.